Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to add an Instagram ID on Musical.ly. So let's begin. First, let's open up the Musical.ly app. Once you have it open, go to your profile, and to do that, look on the bottom right corner. Just a little person icon is underneath the orange circle. Tap on that. Alright, this takes you to your profile. Once you get here, tap on where it says edit profile. It's in red. Alright, it takes you here. Now, if you see here on the bottom after it says Kahindo dash underscore tag, tap on where it says add your Instagram. It's on the bottom of this page. So tap on that. Alright, it takes you to the Instagram login. And go ahead and put in your user and password for your Instagram. And just ignore that. Let's do KahindoTech. Put in the password. Okay, once you have put in your password, tap on where it says login. And there you go. So, before you go, look on the upper right corner. Do you see where it says save? Make sure you tap on that. Otherwise, you won't save these changes. And as you can see to the right of where it says edit profile, it has added my Instagram account also. That's how you add an Instagram ID to your Musical.ly account. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.